Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to install ADB tools. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the description below, how to enable developer options and how to enable USB debugging, because you do need that in order to use the SDK platform tools, which is ADB tools. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Make sure you download for Windows or for Mac or for Linux if you're into that freaky deaky stuff. So then, yeah, I'm gonna install it for Windows here. Go through all of that, read it, download it, read it and weep. All right, it's installed here. All right, we got it installed. That's great. Going to open it here. Going to open the zip file. All right. All right, and once you open the zip file, make sure you extract all. Okay, you can extract all into your downloads or wherever you have it at. And once you extract it, we'll go to the next step. All right, the folder is downloaded. We're going to right click on it. We're going to cut, and I'm going to put it in my C drive, but you can put it anywhere you want, just as long as you know where the path is going to be. But for our purposes, we're going to put it in the C drive here, okay? I'm going to paste it here. All right, and then once you place it in the C drive here, we are almost good to go. Alright, so now that we have all of these here in your C drive, now we can go to the start menu and we can type in CMD. Okay, so CMD is the command prompt that we have here. So now that we have the command prompt here, now we just got to navigate to this actual folder, okay? So that's why I put it to the C drive because, well, that's probably the easiest place where I can put it at. So I did CD, which is change directory ... which takes it all the way back, and then I do dir for directory, and then I go to CD again to change directory, and then I do space, and then I tab to go to the folder there. So I go to platform tools, right, and then I hit enter so it can go into the change directory of platform tools. And then you can go to dir and it shows you all of the .exes you have here. But what we're going to do is now, what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your phone to your actual computer. Okay. And then once you have it plugged up to your computer, you should already have developer options done. You should already have USB debugging done. You should have already accepted it on your computer. Once you're already on this step, and if not, all those videos are in the description. So once you do that, you are going to oh wait, let me move this up a little bit. Okay. So once you go there, we're going to put ADB devices, and as you can see, it is now picking up my Android device. So you can use any command now. You can do ADB devices, you can install APK, you can uninstall, you can do file transfers, you can do screen and record, really anything. But yeah, if there's any commands that you like or anything you want to tell us more about, put it in the comments section. Let's get it, let's go. This is how you install ADB tools and how you recognize it to your phone. All right, let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.